So I have now connected my Snell E2 intercom and thought I could do a small review of it. It's still winter here, so we haven't been able to try it when riding, but we have done some tests, my son up in his room and me 2 floors down in the basement, and we have really thick concrete both ceilings and walls. I've also tried to walk outside and go into the garage. That's also with concrete walls and without any issues. Sounded just as good as when we were in the same room. So those Snell E2s are capable of having 4 riders talking at the same time. And they state they should go to 1,000 meters in distance. But yeah, time will tell about that, and I will do a follow-up once we have ridden with them. It's Bluetooth 5.0 and have music sharing, voice command, built-in radio, and should be dust and waterproof. Nice big buttons and also few buttons, that's really good. Can be really hard to adjust and manage those intercoms on the fly. Some intercoms have really small buttons that's nearly impossible to navigate while having the helmet on your head. The antenna feels a bit flimsy, though it feels a bit better when the intercom is connected to the helmet, and I don't think that will be an issue. One thing with the connection is that when you are disconnecting or dismounting the intercom from the helmet, from this plastic mount, that feels a bit like I might break the mount if I keep doing that too much. So yeah, I don't think I will disconnect this intercom too much, but try to have it stationary and just use the charging port while the intercom is on the helmet. I did miss kind of like those screws you have to some intercoms to mount the clamp to get really tight. So I actually used both the clamp and those sticker mounts to secure it on the helmet. Otherwise it was easy to connect to the helmet. It's also really easy to pair or connect with other intercoms or your phone if you want to take calls or use GPS or something like that. Actually, my biggest gripe with this intercom is the really thick headphones. They do come out quite a bit, and on my helmet that don't have any grooves for the headphones, I do feel the headphone pieces on my ears. It works and not really an issue when I've done those small tests, but it might get painful on longer rides. But yeah, I guess I will come back to that on a later date. So yeah, I would have liked to see thinner earpieces. Otherwise, I think it's a really nice looking intercom to a really good price.